It's been so much more comfortable. It's quieter than our old house. I mean, we lived in a house that was built in 1950 prior to this, so some of that's just 1950s stuff. But the quality of insulation and the quality of windows that we were able to procure through BuildSmart mean that we genuinely have to look outside to know how windy it is, which is just kind of fun. But we also haven't turned on any kind of conditioning for the basement since we moved in. We haven't really touched that thermostat. And the other kind of zones of the house, we've sort of set to what we want them to be, and we haven't had to touch them again. So especially on a week like we've had this last week, where it's 95 degrees and really high humidity outside, to come inside and know that you don't have to crank up the air conditioning or run a bunch of fans to make yourself feel comfortable when you're coming in from the outside environment is just really nice. So it's been quiet, it's been comfortable, and we know that we haven't had to adjust that too much to be able to make ourselves comfortable in this house.
Yeah, you know, we were really excited by the prospects of the comfort and energy efficiency that we would get in this house, having used BuildSmart. And early on, the energy savings is a little difficult to quantify. We, as Lydia said, we went from a 1950s ranch-style house to this house. It's all electric, this house. So totally apples and oranges as far as electric bills. But we're going to gather those data points and get a sense of really the cost savings that we're finding. But right off the bat, we perceived that comfort difference, and so did family and friends, you know, and peers who come in from sort of like a code-built modern house that might compare to ours. They notice the difference in quietness, in comfort, and the difference just sort of in the feel that the house has, in spite of whatever's going on outside. So yeah, we're definitely really pleased with the buildability that BuildSmart brought us, but the long-term comfort that the whole system has kind of afforded us. So the cost savings will follow, but we feel it right away.